Welcome to Right Style Cooking Channel, and today we're gonna make a cucumber tomato salad. One large cucumber, sliced, and then you cut the slices in half. One medium onion, thinly sliced. Then you cut the slice in half. 2 tomatoes, chopped. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon parsley flakes, then 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon vegetable oil or oil of your choice. And we mix this all together. If you choose to, you could add a tablespoon of lime juice to this mix, all depending on what your choice of dressing. So here we have the cucumber tomato salad, which is very easy and delicious. You could eat it right away if you wish, or you could refrigerate it for 1 hour. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And remember, in the comment section, you could comment on whichever recipe you'd like me to work on for you. How lovely.